Still stuck in the stone age of faxing even though you're all about that digital life? Let's get that DocuSign document from your iPhone faxed out in a jiffy. Since DocuSign is mostly digital, we'll need a quick workaround using a third-party fax app. First, locate the DocuSign app on your iPhone and tap to open it. Now, find the document you want to fax. It should already be signed and completed. Tap on the document to open it. Look for the share icon, which usually looks like a box with an arrow pointing upwards. It's typically located at the bottom or top of your screen. Tap on the share icon. A share sheet will pop up with different options. Scroll through the options until you see Save to Files. Tap on Save to Files. Choose a location on your iPhone to save the PDF, like your iCloud Drive or on My iPhone folder, then tap Save. Now, exit the DocuSign app and open the App Store. We need a fax app. In the search bar, type Fax App and tap Search. Browse the list of fax apps and choose one that suits your needs. Popular choices include FaxBurner or a fax download, and install the app. Once the Fax app is installed, open it. Most fax apps will require you to create an account or start a free trial. Follow their instructions to set up your account. Now look for a button that says New Fax, Send Fax, or something similar. Tap on it. The Fax app will now ask you to select the document you want to fax. Look for an option to browse your files or documents. Navigate to the location where you saved the DocuSign PDF earlier. Select the PDF file now. Enter the recipient's fax number in the designated field. You might also need to enter your own fax number or sender information. Double-check all the information to make sure everything is correct, and then tap the Send Fax button. The Fax app will handle the rest, sending your DocuSign document as a fax, and there you have it. Faxing from DocuSign on your iPhone, made easy.